There's nothing like being able to cook your own homemade soup. And today we're gonna dive right into cooking chicken and lime soup with rice. It's gonna be so tasty. It should last you a few meals, unless you have like a family of 10 people. And it's so easy to make. You're gonna taste the difference of making it from scratch. Let's get in the kitchen and try it. So for this recipe, I want you to cook the rice separately so it doesn't get all mushy in the soup. So cook the rice, start with that first as directed on the package. This usually takes about a half an hour and you usually don't have to touch it too much. And then after that, just let it set aside. The next thing you need to do is prep the chicken breast. Slice each chicken breast in half to make 2 thinner pieces that are about 1 inch thick. And this will help the chicken cook faster and easier and with more flavor because you'll get the seasonings outside of them. Speaking of seasonings, you need to season the chicken breast by first pat it dry with a paper towel, and then in a small bowl, you want to mix together paprika, salt, and pepper. Rub the chicken breast all over with the seasonings, and then it's time to sear. To sear the chicken on the stove, you want to add some olive oil to a large pan set to medium or medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breast and brown each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken may not completely cook at this time on the inside, which is fine because it will finish cooking in the soup. During this time, I like to start the veggies. Cook the vegetable and soup broth base by adding all of the vegetables, butter, and dried spices, but not yet the cilantro or broth, to a large soup pot on medium heat. Stir regularly for 10 to 15 minutes so the vegetables become translucent, making sure they don't burn. Turn the soup to high, add the cilantro and cooked chicken breasts, and then you want to add the chicken broth. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil, then reduce the soup burner heat to medium-low. Simmer the chicken in the broth for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then it's time to remove the chicken from the soup. It should be completely cooked at this time, and what you want to do is shred it with a fork or rough chop it into bite-sized pieces. Return the soup and stir it, and then you also want to squeeze in fresh lime juice, which is going to be so delicious, and simmer the soup for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. When it's time to serve the chicken lime soup, take out a beautiful soup bowl, add a heaping spoonful of cooked rice, then the chicken and vegetables with the broth on top, and sprinkle it with some fresh cilantro, some crunchy tortilla chips or tortilla strips as these were called, some avocado slices, maybe some Cotija cheese, and a few slices of jalapeno if you like it spicy. I will be back very soon with a new easy recipe for you. Bye!